Hello. Welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about how avoid sunburn naturally. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. There are several natural ways to protect yourself from sunburn, including: wear protective clothing. Cover your skin with clothing that is made of tightly woven fabric. Light-colored, loose-fitting clothing can also help keep you cool and protected from the sun. Seek shade. Try to stay in the shade during the hottest part of the day, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Use natural sunscreen. Apply a natural sunscreen made from zinc oxide or titanium dioxide before heading outdoors. These natural minerals act as physical barriers that reflect UV rays away from your skin. Eat a healthy diet. Certain foods, such as fruits and vegetables, contain antioxidants that can help protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated, which can prevent it from becoming dry and more susceptible to sun damage. Remember, while these natural methods can help reduce your risk of sunburn, it's still important to use caution when spending time outdoors. If you plan on being outside for an extended period of time, be sure to wear protective clothing and reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Thank you.